It's simple. If your car has been the victim of hail damage, then the DiNG Company is here to help. Serving the entire Central Texas area and beyond, our highly trained, highly skilled technicians will not only take care of the problem timely, but will come to you. We not only can service any make or model, but unlike some of our competitors, we never drill holes in your vehicle and we never use toxic chemicals, just expert, eco-friendly paintless dent removal services you can count on. What's more, we'll even take care of the insurance claims for you. The first mobile auto dent removal company in the region, we're also the best. Come see for yourself. If you're ready to erase scratches and dings and make your vehicle look showroom ready, the DiNG Company can help. Call us today for a free quote at 1-855-5TX-HAIL. That's 1-855-589-4245. Or visit us online at thedingcompany.com.